Hello techies, we are in lab 2.6.14 and we're going to troubleshoot physical connectivity tree. So you are a network technician for a small corporate network. Minutes ago, your entire building had a power blackout. The power has been partially restored, but there are still offices and networking closets without power. Employees in the executive office and support office have called to report that they can't access the internet or other computers on the network. You need to diagnose and fix the problem as it pertains to the network. So here is the table chart that we're going to be making use of. Use the following troubleshooting to diagnose the problem on the network. You're going to ping the command utility, ping IP address, and fix the problem. I'm sorry about this. And fix the problem as necessary. Use the following tools to confirm the problem is resolved. Okay, so we start lab. Now this video might appear to be too fast for you all. I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to be as fast as possible so that the video won't be unnecessarily too long for you all. So we are now inside the lab, and according to our first task, that will require us to go into the Office 1 computer, go into Start menu and Terminal, and we're going to be pinging these IP addresses 192.168.0.10, 192.168.0.31, 192.0.3, 192. This is unreachable. This is unreachable. So something is definitely wrong with the computer network system. Let's go back into the Office overview and go into the networking cabinet, and let's go to the back of this and see. Okay, so this is this plugged in? Let's see. Okay, so we plug this and check answers. Now, if this video was helpful to you in any way, remember to share in other platforms so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.